Hello and welcome to another My Hair is fine. People are shouting. Why are people shouting? Hello. So today's makeup look is very simple, quick, natural looking. I think this is appropriate for work or school, depending on how young you are. But yeah, this is the one that I can do at like 6 in the morning when I'm half asleep, and I can still manage, 10 minutes and it's done. 5 minutes if I'm running late, full face, it's a motorbike. Okay. So this is definitely a full face of makeup. Like, this is not just a little bit, but it still looks natural to me, at least. I don't know. What do you think? It's wearable. It's but anyways, I'm done talking. Enjoy. Okay. That's fine. Right. I'm gonna start with foundation. This is MAC Face and Body. For concealer, I'm using Collection Lasting Perfection. Where are you? There you are. To set the concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me powder. And to set the rest of my face, I'm using this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder. Okay. For bronzer, I'm using this Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess bronzer and a MAC 135 brush. For blush, I'm using this Clinique Pink Love blush. It's got some glitter in it. This is a Morphe E4 brush. It's kind of a sheeny blush already, but hey ho, we're going in with highlight. This is MAC Soft and Gentle. Now for the eyes, I'm going to keep it really super simple and really quick. I'm only using this Morphe M330 brush, so any fluffy brush will do. And then this is MAC Soft Brown, just defining the crease a little bit. Got fluff in my hair, that's fine. It's all fine. Now with, what's it called? All that glitters. Pinky glittery colour. I'm using my finger. I'm just applying that all over the lid. Boom, done. For the eyebrows, I'm only using brow gel just to make it quicker. This is MAC Pro Long Wear Waterproof Brow Set. Why is it such a long name? There we go. Oh yeah, mascara. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational. Right, and then for my lips, I'm using this MAC lip liner in the shade Subculture. Basically pick whatever's the closest thing to your actual lip color. Also, this needs sharpening, but that's another story. I usually just line my lips and then I just kind of fill them in, but not really, just blend, whatever, doesn't matter, make it quick. And then on top of that, I actually use lip balm. This is Nivea Soft Rosé, of course, the pink one. And I kind of blend that lip liner. Done. And this is it. I usually can do this in definitely under 10 minutes. This is like my go-to for work and stuff. By stuff I mean not really working at the moment, but you know, if I was working, this is the final look. Bye.